We can divide the race in two parts. In the first, how do you live this terrible moment?
Yeah, I mean the beginning was obviously we gained some places. Then obviously there was this huge accident with Sam. Which not a lot of cars made it through, but we kind of just about made it through with some damage. I thought my race was over, but the team did a great job to repair the car and make me go back out after the red flag. So we had definitely not everything was fine after the red flag. We had some additional issues to deal with. The battery was failing as well, so we just wanted to stay out there to see if anything happens, so we could maybe score a point if anything happened or whatever, but it wasn't meant to be today.
Was complicated the management of battery, especially with this temperature?
It was okay. I mean, my battery was failing actually, so I think tomorrow we will have a new battery in the car and hopefully we don't have any issues.
Thank you.